Have you ever caught yourself looking into your dog's eyes and thinking, are you my best friend, or are you my family? If you're a dog lover like me, you already know the answer, it's both. And science finally agrees with us. A recent study found that a whopping 94% of dog owners consider their dog to be part of the family. That means, for most of us, our pups aren't just pets. They're family with fur, 4 paws, and a tail that never stops wagging. But what's so special about our relationship with dogs? Researchers in Hungary dug deep into this question. They had over 700 dog owners rate their connection with their pups, and get this. Most people said their bond with their dog was as strong or even stronger than their human relationships. That's wild, right? But if you've ever had a rough day and come home to a wiggling, tail-thumping welcome, you know exactly why. The study found that our connection with dogs is a unique blend. It's kind of like being a parent, but also like having a best friend. Think about it. Dogs give us that unconditional love we crave from a child, but without the drama or arguments of human friendships. No debates over music taste, no holding grudges, just pure tail-wagging devotion. So why is this bond so powerful? It comes down to 3 things: constant companionship, the chance to nurture, and barely any conflict. Dogs need us, and we love being needed. We feed them, walk them, care for them, and in return, they fill our lives with joy, loyalty, and those moments that make even the toughest days feel a little brighter. And here's something interesting. It's not about replacing people. This study found that the happiest dog owners are also the ones with strong human relationships. Having a dog doesn't fill a gap, it just adds more love to your life. Now, let's be honest. There's a power difference in this relationship. We make the rules, pick the food, and decide where they sleep. But unlike human relationships, there's almost no power struggle. Your dog isn't going to argue over what movie to watch or where to go for dinner. They're just happy to be with you, soaking up every moment. So next time someone calls your dog just a pet, remember? Science says otherwise. That furry face isn't just a friend, and they're not a substitute for people. They're your family, your confidant, and your cheerleader all wrapped up in one adorable package. Go ahead, hug your dog a little tighter tonight. You're not weird for loving them like family. In fact, you're right on track, and you've got science to back you up. Dogs more than just pets. Always.